in front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called iOS Launcher 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Now to set it up, choose Get Started. Click on I agree to terms and conditions and tap on Continue twice. Then select While using and allow in all available pop-ups. Close and add. And manage all of those options however you want to. You can also do that later on. When you're ready, click on Set as Default at the top. And to apply iOS Launcher, just click on it. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. To switch between your layouts, go back to the same app. Click on Set as Default at the top and tap on Honor Home. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!